Hi, we are going to make pecan snowball cookies today. So we're going to start with plant-based butter, and to that we will add powdered sugar. Now make sure to get vegan powdered sugar. Usually organic sugar will be vegan. Next up, we're going to add a pinch of salt and a little bit of vanilla extract. We're going to blend and make sure that it's nice and creamy and incorporated. And then we'll begin to add our flour. And we'll do it just a little bit at a time, making sure to incorporate all of it. We don't want little balls of flour. Now, this is all-purpose flour. I have not tried gluten-free flour, but you absolutely could. Let me know if you try it. And we're just pulsing and blending, incorporating it a little at a time. Making sure that we have a nice creamy dough. I'm tapping the sides of the food processor to make sure that all of the flour drops down and I don't end up with flour all over my table. So once we have a nice creamy consistency, we're going to start to add our chopped pecans. You could incorporate whatever type of nut you prefer, walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts. I just prefer the traditional pecan snowball cookie. These are also called Mexican wedding cookies, Russian tea cakes, meltaways. So once we have that dough, you'll see that it's sticky, it's tacky. So it's not going to make a great cookie at this point. So we want to make sure to chill the dough. Once it's chilled, we can start rolling it into the cookies. I'm using a 2-inch ice cream scoop or cookie scoop and just rolling them. Now, because we are using a plant-based butter, these will spread a little and they are not going to stay round cookies. So you'll see they have spread a little. We've baked them and now we're going to roll them in our vegan powdered sugar. You could put the powdered sugar in a plastic bag and shake the cookies, but these are so delicate that I'm choosing to just roll them by hand. And we have our finished delicious snowball cookies.